What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get Hinge Premium for free. This is going to give you a 12-month Hinge Premium subscription, and it will not cost you a penny. It literally is so easy. It takes a few minutes and you only need a mobile phone and of course an internet connection. So Hinge Premium's pretty cool, guys. You can get unlimited likes, priority likes and more, and it usually costs a bunch of money for a subscription for premium, but I've managed to find a method of getting you a Hinge Premium code. This is a redeemable code that you can enter in on the Hinge website, and it's going to credit your Hinge account a subscription. So I'm going to record my mobile phone. I'll be putting the recording here so you can all follow along, and let's get into the tutorial. Okay guys, so you can see I've got Google open on my mobile phone, and in Google, guys, you need to go to this website, hotshotcodes.com. So you're looking for hotshotcodes.com, the #1 coupon site. So open that page up, and this is the web page you need to look for. Basically, guys, they have a ton of stuff on here, and they basically save you money for pretty much anything and everything you could ever want. But scroll down this page until you find the Hinge page. Should be pretty recognizable, the Hinge logo. Keep scrolling, and there we go. So Hinge promo coupon codes, upgrade your account now. So open that page up, and you're going to see this page here. Oh, it's 1 month premium, so not 12, sorry guys, it's 1 month, but you can just do this again at the end of the month to get a new fresh subscription. So you can see this method has been used a bunch of times. It's been rated pretty highly, and it's guaranteed to work. So if you scroll down, you'll see there is a show coupon code button here for free 1 month Hinge Premium. So tap that, and you can see it has like the start of the code here, and there's a bunch of stars. Basically, we need to unlock the full code, guys. These codes are protected to stop bots from taking them all. So hit that unlock now button, and essentially we need to just follow the instructions listed on this screen here. We need to complete 2 of the listed tasks to unlock your code. Pretty easy, they're all completely free, and we basically need to just follow the instructions on the 2 tasks that you choose. So for example, this one at the top says register, choose your boxes and start your trial. So I'm going to click on that, answer whatever questions it asks of me, and I'm going to run through these steps. So let me pause the video. I'm going to complete this one, then I'm going to go back and do a second one, and we can see if it gives me the code. So I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and finished 2 of the tasks listed on this page. I essentially finished that one at the top that you saw there. Then I did that second one. I just had to basically download it and open an application. They're all completely free, and they only take a few minutes to complete. So just choose any 2 and follow the instructions. So yeah, pretty easy. So once you've done that, you then go ahead and hit your tabs button, go back to Hotshot Codes, and you can now see it has revealed my 1 month free Hinge Premium coupon code. So I can literally copy this code, enter it into either the application or in the Hinge website in the enter promo code section, and yeah, this is going to credit you a 1 month premium for Hinge. So you need to go and get your own personal code, guys. So go to hotshotcodes.com, follow these instructions you've seen here in this video, and it takes a few minutes to get your free Hinge Premium. So hope you enjoyed the video. Go ahead and hit that like button if you successfully got your free Hinge upgrade, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for watching.